unlink a file from a master job, first open your file. Next, select the file details. In the lower right-hand corner, unlink your file from your master job. Once you update your file details, you now have a file that can include separate customer information from the master job and all files linked to the master job. This is great for master jobs where property owned by a landlord is affected and content owned by a tenant is affected. To relink your file to your master job, simply reverse this process.